Hello everyone, and welcome to this new lecture on the importance of consistency when building your YouTube Shorts channel. When it comes to growing your YouTube channel, one of the most important things you can do is be consistent with your content. In this video, I'll be discussing why consistency is so important and how it can help you build a successful channel. If you want to master the arts of shorts, you've got to post consistently and plentifully. There's no official single winning formula here, but the general rule of thumb is that around one post per day, every single day, is ideal for getting the most reach and the most engagement when growing your account. With a content creation trick I'm going to show you on Canva, you can create up to 30 shorts within 10 minutes. So staying on top of posting at least one short per day will be easy. Some of my students even post up to 3 times a day and their revenue results are insane. If you've struggled in the past to be consistent, then you need to get yourself a calendar and design a consistent posting schedule. Mark down the days you're going to aim to post on and stick to it consistently. If you can't post once a day, try posting once every other day, or once every 3 days, or even once a week. Now obviously guys, the more you post the better. But guys, I'm going to show you a trick which will make posting more than once a day very, very easy. So guys, let's reverse a little bit. The first reason why consistency is so important is that it helps build trust with your audience. When you consistently create and upload content, your viewers know that they can rely on you to provide them with valuable and engaging content on a regular basis. This builds trust and loyalty and keeps viewers coming back to your channel. Consistency is also important for visibility. YouTube's algorithm rewards channels that upload content consistently by prioritizing their videos in search results and recommendations. When you upload content regularly, you increase your chances of being discovered by new viewers, which can help your channel grow faster. And trust me, it does. Another benefit of consistency is that it helps you improve your content over time. The more you create and upload content, the better you'll become at it overall. You'll learn what your viewers like and what they don't like, and you'll be able to fine-tune your content to better serve your audience in the most efficient way possible. Consistency also helps you stay accountable and focused on your overall goals. When you commit to a regular upload schedule, you are more likely to stick to it and stay motivated to create new content. This can help you achieve your goals and grow your channel in the long run. So guys, when you begin posting shorts, you'll need to post frequently so you can try out all of the new content types and formats and get out all the new ideas. The trick to using the shorts platform is to experiment and continue trying out new content until you find what works for you and your audience. Another bonus guys is the fact that the more shorts you post will allow for more views overall on your page. And the more views you get on your page, the better the chances of decent engagement that can boost your algorithm rating. This increased engagement can potentially push you to the top of the shorts feed. So guys, it's as simple as the more shorts you have, the more consistent you are, and the more potential views you get. If one of your shorts blows up and goes viral, all those people will then end up checking out your profile and watching your other shorts as well. So guys, do not be afraid to post loads of shorts. YouTube has separated the shorts feed from the main feed, so you don't need to be worried that you're posting too much and annoying your subscribers. Of course, don't go posting 50 million times a day, but guys, you can get away with posting multiple shorts per day if you wanted to. So there you have it, a quick theoretical lesson on why consistency is so important when building your YouTube channel. Remember, it's not just about creating great content, but it's also about consistently uploading that content on a regular basis. If you can do that, you'll be on your way to building a successful channel that your viewers will love. When we finally run through the process of creating shorts using ChatGPT and Canva, I'll show you how you can make loads of shorts within 10 minutes, which should mean you never get to a point where you're struggling to create more content to stay consistent. Thanks for listening guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.